All right, next trade. So this one, I just exercised patience. Can't even lie. Here's what it was. So this was, I think FOMC. Let me check real quick. What was that? No, CPI. So this shot up. It was CPI. So this told me that buyers was in the market, like straight green and this huge shoot. And on top of that, we still had the gap to fill. So there was a reason to go to the upside. So when market open right here, we got a straight push down. I thought this was pretty good because this area I figured was like a good spot to buy from. So we came down, then we shot up. Now there was a trade right here that I saw take place because once we broke this candle here, it would have been a morning star formation. This wasn't a bad trade, and obviously it ended up working out for the 3R, but I didn't take it because what I've noticed, at least right now, is ES has been sweeping the morning stars that form before the real move. I've seen this happen like 2 times, and I got swept out twice doing it. So today, I was patient. Like, even though this worked out, the other times when I've taken it, I've lost. So I was waiting for a sweep. If a sweep didn't happen of this move, there was just gonna be a no trade day today. And then on top of that, the 200 EMA was pointing up the whole day. The 50 was trailing closer, so price was starting to break through over here. But the 200 was still pointing up, so I was looking for buys. I knew I was only looking for buys. So all this started selling down, selling down. I was confident. I was like, yeah, that looks good. They tried to throw a fake right here. It didn't quite break this candle, which was perfect. Then it shot down, gave me the sweep I was looking for. And then at this point, if it just kept running down to here, I was going to take it here. But anywhere within this zone, if I saw a bullish signal, I was going to take it. So then the next candle, it just shot up like crazy. Completely took back this bearish candle. I was like, oh yeah, it's my time. Now the only thing is I didn't want to take this whole candle because I figured it would be too big. If I took the whole candle, I might have to get out for like a 1-to-1 or like 1-to-2, depending on the size. But so in my backtesting sessions, I practice like covering just the support area. So I did that today, and I ain't gonna lie, hey, I mean it didn't get crazy close, but I was like, it would have sucked if I would have got swept out and then it would have ran, because I knew the bias was bullish today. So that was my only concern. But and if it did happen, I don't think I would have got in for another reentry because I would have felt like I was chasing. So, but it didn't. It worked out to a T. A little bit of drawdown for some time. We got the red candle. Then when I saw this push, I was like, oh yeah, we just gonna take these. And I knew once we got up here, all these people were gonna stop out, and then we were just gonna shoot past. I marked off the psychological 600 level because, as you can see, it even shot up and still got rejected by that. And then my TP was below it, so it was just looking good. Even if I lost this trade, I was gonna be so proud of this trade. It was such a good trade. But yeah, and it worked out. So that was cool. Good day today.